Keeping it fresh, Joseph Shanklin Elementary School is teaming up with the Lowcountry Food Bank to host a Fresh for All drive-through farmers market. The students are giving back to the community by sorting and packing bags filled with fruits, vegetables, and more.
I put carrots, potatoes, kiwis, oranges, lemons, and apples.
The students are excited to be giving out healthy food options for those in need.
When you feed people, it's just that some people are grateful for having things that they never have in the world, and they can also try new things they haven't tried.
I think that it's cool that we are helping the community because some people really don't have what a whole bunch of people have.
The Lowcountry Food Bank serves 10 coastal communities.
Working with the kids is just good energy, and it gives them a chance to see some good things that can happen in the community, and with them helping out, it helps us out too.
The school is excited to be working with the food bank and is looking forward to be hosting more community-based events.
We want to be able to give back to the community because you all come in and you all pour out for us. We also have the traveling preschool bus that's here as well. They will be at our future events. This is not just a one-time event. We want this to be ongoing so that we can have a partnership with our community. We want our families coming out. We're also looking for the Beaufort County Library to also come out as well. So we are so excited at the great work that's being done here at Joseph Shanklin Elementary School.
Be sure to follow Joseph Shanklin Elementary School on Facebook to stay updated on all upcoming events. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.